celebration where trend meets strategy, discipline meets dedication, and teams meet direction.
Today, this playground transforms into much more than a sports arena. It becomes a canvas as their esteemed presence truly elevates the spirit of today's celebration. आप आए, हमें एक अमूल्य निधि मिल गई। आपके दिव्य दर्शन से हृदय की हर कली खिल गई। आपके श्री चरण जो पधारे यहाँ, धन्य हुए हम और धन्य हुआ यह सारा जहां।
Of this every great journey begins with a powerful beginning. To mark this auspicious commencement of this grand sports celebration, may I request our honorable chief guest to kindly proceed for the flag hosting ceremony, followed by school song.
Students of BGS learn to be what we should be. Children who make their parents proud in whatever way they can. In whatever way they can. We the students of BGS learn to be what we should be. Students bringing glory to the alma mater. By soaring high in the sky, by soaring high in the sky, we the students of BGS learn to be what we should be. Humans who serve the society they live in the best manner they can, in the best manner they can. We the students of BGS learn to be what we should be. Citizens who make their nations proud by making Earth a better place to live. By making Earth a better place to live. We the students of BGS learn to be what we should be. People who always keep in their mind Indian values and world vision. Indian values and world vision. Indian values and world vision. As the flag flutters with pride and honor, may our values soar higher, our goals shine brighter, and our determination grow stronger. जहाँ एकता की ध्वनि गूंजती है, वहाँ सफलता स्वयं उपस्थित होती है। Discipline is the backbone of sports and the heartbeat of success.
To proceed further, may I in the march past, a parade that reflects precision, pride and practice.
Seek your permission to begin with the march past. Thank you, sir.
अनुशासन वह शक्ति है जो साधारण प्रयासों को असाधारण उपलब्धियों में बदल देती है। Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. A moment where discipline walks in rhythm, unity marches with pride, and leadership strides with confidence.
March past is merely a ceremonial parade. It is a powerful reflection of discipline, teamwork, obedience, and national spirit. Each synchronized step and at Wagad Global School.
At Wagad Global School, the March Past symbolizes character building beyond classrooms, where students learn the values of leadership, cooperation, and commitment.
Leading the magnificent parade is our head boy, Master Jenny Anthony, a student who truly embodies the spirit of sportsmanship and service.
a well-mannered, disciplined, and dedicated sports person, admired for his positive attitude, calm leadership, and sense of responsibility. He is a role model who believes that true leadership is not about authority but about accountability.
With his confident posture, focused vision, and respectful conduct, he sets a shining example how discipline, determination, and duty walks hand in hand. First house is Kalpana House, named after the legendary astronaut Kalpana Chawla, a symbol of courage, determination, and boundless vision, leading the way with confident courage and clarity of thought. We proudly welcome Kalpana House, marching with head held high and dreams that reach beyond the sky. Kalpana House, the house captain, Master Piyush Rokre, a disciplined and responsible leader who sets fine example of sportsmanship. He is well supported as a sports captain of Master Kaushik Menon, an enthusiastic and cooperative student who strengthens the unity of the house.
Marching gracefully with rhythm and resilience, let us welcome Lata House, named after the legendary Lata Mangeshkar, a symbol of melody, dedication, and timeless excellence. The house is led by its flag bearer and captain, Master Neon Dupari, an energetic, disciplined, and enthusiastic all-rounder, known for his immense love for football and active participation in sports. He is admired for his dedication. Supporting him is the vice sports captain, Master Manohar Miryala, a sincere and cooperative student who brings stability, teamwork, and perseverance to the house.
Now entering the field, the determination and dynamic spirit, we proudly welcome Sachin House, named after legendary Sachin Tendulkar. Leading the house with pride is the flag bearer, Captain Miss Shrishti Gada, a student, a remarkable character and confident student. She is able to support the vice captain, Miss Rudra Vagela, a focused and hardworking student.
Now entering the field, last but certainly not the least, we proudly welcome the house that beautifully blends with wisdom, creativity, Tagore House. Leading the house as the flag bearer and captain is Miss Preksha Tadi, a talented and charismatic and confident student. She is well supported by the sports captain, Master Shivappa Pujari, whose enthusiasm, cooperation, and strong sense of unity add strength and balance to the team.
Ladies and gentlemen, this march past is proudly testimony to the value nurtured at Vaga Global School, discipline, equality, unity, and leadership.
Each step taken today is a step towards nation building, character development, and lifelong excellence.
Let us give a thunder round applause to all our marching students for their dedication, coordination,
The torch we witness today is not merely a flame. It is a promise of perseverance, a spark of unity, and a fire of fair play.
The torch run symbolizes hope, unity, and the true spirit of sportsmanship. The flame represents determination, discipline, and fair play, inspiring every athlete to strive for excellence and carry this value forward in life. May I invite our young athlete, Master Rudra Wagela, Master Piyush Rokde, Master Manohar Miriala, Master Shivappa Pujari, Master Neon Dupare, and Master Bashi perform the torch run ceremony, carrying forward the light of determination and the spirit of never giving up. I would request our chief guest to hand over the torch to the students.
यह मशाल सिर्फ आग नहीं, हौसलों की पहचान है। अंधेरे चाहे कितने हो, जीत अंत में उजालों की शान है। Leading the torch run with pride and honor, we welcome Master Rudra Wagela, a remarkable and disciplined athlete and a player of Khelo India. Next, we welcome Master Manohar
Continue the torch of Master Shivappa Pujari, a hard-working wrestler, committed athlete known for his perseverance, strength, and compassion.
is Master Neon Dupare, a dynamic, enthusiastic, and a multi-talented sports person whose love for game, especially football, is matched by his discipline and dedication.
And now carrying the torch with last but not least, Master Bashir, a DSO Carom district level player whose strategic thinking, patience, and precision have earned him recognizing and respect. I will request all dignitaries to take their seat to thank you. I would request all the dignitaries to take their seat. Thank you all.
As this torch completes its glorious journey, it ignites not just the flame, but the dreams and determination of every young athlete present here.
May this flame continue to guide our students towards integrity, perseverance, and victory in every walk of life.
Satyam vada dharmam char, न्यायेन क्रीडाम आचरम, अनुशासनम पालयम, क्रीडासु सर्वदा विजयम। हम सत्य बोले, धर्म के मार्ग पर चले, हम खेलों में सदैव न्याय और ईमानदारी का पालन करें, हम अनुशासन बनाए रखें और खेलों के माध्यम से सदा विजय और श्रेष्ठता प्राप्त करें। To uphold the sacred values of honesty,
We, the students of Vagar Global School, solemnly pledge to follow each and every rule of this meet, to maintain discipline throughout. We will play with the spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of our school, country, and glory of sports. Keeping in mind that participation is more important than winning.
may I respectfully request the flag bearers to kindly proceed and place the flags near the podium.
त्याच्यामध्ये झूम आउट आणि झूम इन अच्छा हे आहे का ओके रेकॉर्डिंग चालूच आहे कंटिन्यू राहतो ना ओके
सर मॅडम बोललेलो 1 minute
Conclude this ceremonial display of discipline. May I request our head boy to seek permission to disperse the parade.
Good morning, sir. I, Jenny Anthony, head boy of Power Global School, seek your permission to disperse the parade. Thank you, sir.
जहाँ अनुशासन होता है वहाँ हर समापन भी गरिमामय होता है.
Parade! Stand at ease! Parade! Attention! Parade! Disperse!
Annual sports meet, distinguished parents, all the teachers, staff, and my dear students. On the behalf of Vagar Global School family, I welcome you all. First, I welcome to our chairman, sir, his visionary leadership and his devotion to develop the students and the character building. This is a day we can see in our eyes how disciplined students are here, how they are involving and standing under the harm and very deep sunshine. But they want to present themselves better and best version. So I congratulate to all the students who just shown their parade and congratulate all the parents to give us that precious diamonds in our school. I give a warm welcome to all the parents that they are taking their precious time and spending their time with us to this sport day. On this occasion, I want to share a short story for the students that there was a young athlete who always came last in every sports event. He fell and people was judging him that he is not a good sportsman and he never will a sportsman. But after so many defeat incidents, he worked hard and he worked 1 more hours better than others to win the matches. And now we know him as a flying Sikh of India, Milkha Singh. The Milkha Singh is not able to win the Olympic medal by fraction of second, but he able to make his name as a sports legend when the India will be there in the world map. I want to tell you students, follow his footsteps. Follow the sports, what sports teaches us. Number 1, the discipline. Come on the time. Follow the rules and regulations. This shows only the way of sports. Maybe a good school, create a good academics and marks. They can make good scholars. But do you know what sports make? Sports make a good citizen. So become a good citizen, the follow of the discipline, the teamwork. What is the teamwork? When we play the sport, we know how to play with each and other. In our life is not a simple thing. It is also a race. To win that race, we have to win the 100-meter race today. So it gives us the speed and the talent to how win the life. I also thankful to all the teachers, the sports teacher, and all the staff members who work tirelessly day and night to create this event, whatever we are seeing today. I thank all the students and welcome by my bottom of heart. And let's live with fear and be.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl to come find that home. That's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I can change your life so easily. I keep change your life so Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl to go find that home. That's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I can change your life so
Shout out to Oyenda, that's because love the clean thing. My life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene. The back is an ST, the pride the escape. My life is an ass race, you call your sex tape. You only get one take, quite inside please. Going anxiety, in 3, 2, 1. Anxiety, people trying me, feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Anxiety, somebody watching me.
bombs. Shit when I die lit. Tryna get hit. I say I'm big. Your boss say they big. I said that dick. Smile on my face. Big man shit. Come and get checked. That's on my lip. I'm on my face. She in the sky. I never cut. It's on the chest. All in the back. I spin it in niggas. That's for these hoes. Live in the front. If I'm feeling it's all in the back. That's for the hit. I'm in the hell. That's in the home. I'm doing something like the problem. Ever since I was a kid, I've been a kid. It's time to get wise with my wings. So tired of nobody alone. She is strong, rolling on my day. Ever since I was a kid, I was a kid. You should never know you were me. When I'm coming home, so sad. I feel like alone. Don't be one day. Take another show. But it's gonna hurt. Cause we didn't first. Feel like saying no beat. Maybe it's because I'm not green. Feel like it's so green. It's too good to me. She be flipping on me. She wanna fuck with the team. She fell in love with me. She fell in love with the sea. You should let it go.